let's see. Just wondering about the $250 a month thing. Do we have a $250 a month thing? I don't think we do have a $250 a month thing.
No, we shouldn't still have one up either.
I think we discontinued it. To answer
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did have a mentorship program that came with like weekly and then like more than weekly critiques. We have 4 mentees still like that have been grandfathered in, but ultimately we got rid of the mentorship program for like I would say 2 or maybe 3 reasons. Reason number 1, we got rid of the mentorship program was like we were devoting, like me especially. Like at one point I was dealing with 3 mentees and like reading, revising, like helping them with their copy, answering every question that they had at any moment, at any time of night. And like, you know, that's a lot of hours. And like, copy that, as much as I love it, is not paying the bills. Actually writing copy is. And so, like, just in terms of like the amount that we were charging for, you know, $300 a month, you know, I charge $300 per hour for consulting. And so like, you know, it wasn't worth my time to continue doing that. So it was quite a deal. In order to make it worth my time, it would have to have been like priced at like $900 to $1,500 a month, which, you know, when you get down to it, like the whole point of us starting Copy That and why we price things the way we do is to make it more accessible to people. And if all of a sudden I'm charging $1,500 a month for access to me, then I would be the thing that I'm literally trying to sell against. So I don't like that. I don't like that. So that's the main reason. It was a huge suck on my bandwidth, and we couldn't like price it accurately, and then, or at least in a way that I felt was ethical. And then the second reason why we got rid of the mentorship program was mentorship is not helpful for newbies. Like people just starting out, like people within the first, I would say 2 to 6 months of their career do not need a mentor. They want a mentor because they want somebody to do the thinking for them about like what they should be doing next, what they should be thinking about next, what they should be studying next. But all that's available for free. And all of our content, especially on the free side, exists to provide exactly that information. And so you don't need a mentor to come in and be like, yo, so this is what a headline complex is. Go learn that stuff on your own. And once you like start making money as a copywriter, then it makes sense to actually pay for mentorship. So those are the 2 reasons why I was like, mentorship, maybe we should not do this anymore. So
yeah. And I mean, like even now, so Sean, you obviously still have 2 mentees. I have 2 mentees because, you know, I guess of like the legacy offer. And it's like I love doing it with them, and it's so great to like, you know, impart knowledge and actually have those one-on-one conversations. But that's at least 2 hours a week, and then like actually reviewing their stuff is an extra half an hour to an hour for each.
Yeah.
And then like thinking about it, messages and stuff like that, it just stacks up. You know, especially when you get back or you finish work for the day and you're like, all right, I need to do this thing. It's like, oh no, I've got this in my calendar. So I have, you know, dedicated hour blocks to do with both of them on Mondays and Tuesdays and Fridays. And like this, I'm at my limit with it. It's like, there's no way I could not take another mentee on. So yeah, we just like, it's not feasible.